So I define the category of that, then I try to model my shape, create extrusion because I want to make a volume. I select the rectangular from this corner to the bottom right corner, and I lock the dimensions. This is one method to draw a line. I use Ctrl Z to return to a start point. Next method is the using line or pick line tool, and I use the depth and offset and lock. I use 0.2 for depth, and I use lock, so my lines are locked. And using trim tool, I remove the unnecessary lines. And the amount of depth or T is better to define here to change it. We have two options here, extrusion end and start. This is the thickness from 0 to the end, and the square or the small rectangular, so I select it for the T parameters. So I go to the 3D view. This is our shape, and if I go to the front view, thickness is exactly equal to T, extrusion end. If I go here, the value is disabled now because the amount is equal to T parameters. And if I want to change that, I need to go to the family type and change the amount of the T. For example, 0.2 or 0.5. Apply. And for L, I use 4 inches and 2 inches for W. I go to reference level. Now I want to use smaller amount for L to make a rectangular shape. After modeling this part, it is needed to add a another place which connected to the wall. In this level, I mean reference level, I select the reference plane and use pick lines and set the offset 2 inches, estimately 0.5 and 1, and click here. So I change this amount like this. I want to add a volume here. We can define a fixed amount for here. Usually thermostat sizes are not very different. If you want, you can add a parameter here, and here. And check the distances and use equal for these different distances. And you can change the font sizes from here very easily. And you can add parameters if you want. You can do this if you want to. Create extrusion, rectangular, from here to here. You can lock the dimensions and use the amount for 2 inches. This is our shape in the front level. You can extend it to the down, or you can add a reference plane in the front elevation view. I make this dimension smaller. It's you do not have to click on the dimension. You have to click on the line and put the amount, for example 1/2 inches for this, and I select the volume and change this and move it to here like this.